Hello and welcome to the GBC Productions channel. This is episode 34. In this video, I'll be fixing a curtain rod. As you can see here, some of these plastic clips are broken, so the curtain is not held up like it should be. Now I'm going to take this entire assembly off so it'll be more visible. Alright, now I have the assembly down. You can see all the broken clips. And I've got to take out some screws here so I can remove the curtain rod from this assembly and release the clips. So let me set you all up on a tripod and then I'll get started here. I'll just move you around a little bit here. And we'll take out this screw. I think it'll be easier if I take the bit out and just use it as a hex driver. Oh yeah, much better. Now I'm going to set the screws aside so I don't lose them again. So now with this lifted up, I can release the end here and slide the clips out. I'm going to replace all of these clips since I have it apart. So I got to unhook the curtain on the ones that are not broken. And the whole group came off at once. Now these have been on here for many years, and they've gotten very brittle. And some of these have been in here for so long that they've actually turned yellow. And it just snaps really easily. The yellowing of the plastic is from the fire retardant in it. Here's one of the new ones. Comparing it to the old one, it's just slightly different. Size is the same though. And here's the new one. Doesn't break. The old one with the same amount of pressure, snap. I've got 15 to do on each side. As it turns out, there were 15 on here, but only 13 of them weren't used. So I'm not putting 15 of them back on. I'll just put 13 of them on. And then I lock it in place. And then hook the curtain back on. Now I just have to put those screws back in. And then this side is complete. I have a couple that came undone while I was putting everything back. Got this last clip to put on that holds the rod in place. And put the screw in. And this side's complete. I'll do the other side off camera. Now with the assembly put back up, I just have the drawstring to hook back up here. Not easy to do one-handed. Alright, now I'll just give it a test. And it's working. You can see it closing and opening, and everything looks good. Don't forget to subscribe for more, mash that like button, and comment below. Until next time, this is Uncle D from GBC Productions, signing off.